Welcome to Early Makes Money Online. I make money online. I've been doing this since 2017 till date. And some of you have been following me. Okay, some of the people here have been following me since 2018, 2017. So they know the history, or they know me very well. And I am not only going to be teaching you on this channel, but I am also going to be acting as somebody who will guide you, who will actually show you the way, like who will do everything possible for anyone who is very serious that they want to make money online to succeed. Everything is easy. Don't have it in your mind that it's difficult. It's not difficult. You understand? Just make your mind that you are going to learn and do it, and then we will get started. And I am not only going to be teaching you how you can make money online, but I am also going to be showing you how you can invest any money you have. You make those monies work for you whilst you are asleep. Those money will work for you and give you profit, and you are still going to be making more money from whatever you are doing. Like, you don't keep money on your savings account if it's not giving you more money. I use online for almost everything I do. So you are the safe place. I am going to be putting my personal number out so that you don't just watch a video and go, but you watch a video that teaches you something, but you still have access to the person personally for him to direct you, guide you, show you everything that you want to know personally. So feel free to comment anything in the comments, and I will correct any mistakes I'm doing or anything that you want answers to. I will always be active and give answers to everything that you want to know, everything that you are curious about, how you can do everything. So it's not just going to be about a tutorial channel, but you have access to me directly, and I'll be guiding you everything. So don't worry that I am just going to be those YouTubers that will script their things and come back and give you a good headline that you will look at it and be like, wow, this thing is juicy. You watch the video and you don't even get the answer. No, I am not going to script anything. I am going to be showing you everything from scratch. Everything that you don't even know anything about how to make money online, you must know. I will teach you everything on this channel, and I will go raw. No scripting of anything. I'm just going to be doing or teaching you the things I've been doing daily that makes me money. A lot of them are not common. A lot of them are online, but they are not common. They are not the traditional way of doing it. I am going to be teaching you everything. Relax. Don't have it in your mind that it's difficult. Like I said, it's not difficult as you think. It's very simple, but you just don't know, or you just don't have people that will direct you and give you the right guideline. You understand? So I was doing this back in school, and when I completed, because I was not making enough at that time, I got an unemployment 9 to 5 job. I was doing it, and it was not enough. But I have a target that I knew if I am consistent with what I'm doing, in a year or two, I will quit. And truly, before 2 years, I quit my job and I focus on this online money making. And today, trust me, I'm able to buy cars from it. I'm able to build a house from it. I'm able to invest in other businesses from it. And I'm still doing it. And it's even today, or it's even now, that it's growing. So on the channel, I'm going to be teaching you about how you can use Facebook to make money. You can use Twitter to make money, Google itself, website, Snapchat, WhatsApp, YouTube itself. So you are going to be learning everything. And I'm also going to be teaching you about the apps, the legitimate apps, or everything you have to do to also invest your money and grow it as a young man. Trust me, it was this same online money that's helped me. Without that, I would have been doing a job that would just pay me a mere 5,000 cedis, or maybe even 3,000. People even get paid 500. Yes, I don't even want to talk about that. How do I survive? So I am actually going to be teaching you everything. Obviously, you want to also see, I pray that you will also be seeing monies like this, and also receive emails like this from Google, and also this one from Facebook. These are the emails you receive. You can even check the date on some of them. Some happened yesterday. Like, we get paid every 21st of every month. Google will pay you either through their YouTube or website, everything. I'll teach you everything. Don't worry. Don't be confused. It is lucrative. Trust me. when I make my first $4 that day in 2017, I was very happy to know that I can even make $1 or $4, up to $4 in a single day. Trust me, my energy was high. You are the right place. This is Eli Makes Money Online. This is me. I will teach you everything, and you have access to me to guide you to succeed. Follow my channel, share it, and let everybody know about it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here, and we will get started very soon. Stay calm. Everything is in control. Let's go.